Hey everybody, this is a painting from video 451. I'm real pleased with it. Love the lines, totally obsessed with lines right now. And here is 543, I believe. And this one had a whole bunch of different techniques used. And I'm really pleased with what I decided to end up with. I love these red, the veins kind of coming through, and the color turned out really pretty. And here is, check out video description, my Amazon list in it will get you to my paint mixing playlist, etc., etc., etc. So please check all that out. You can find most of your answers by looking in there. And I plan to do another itty bitty with lines since I am obsessed. So everyone else is trying to get cells and I'm trying to get lines. So it's just a little 4x4 canvas. I kind of grow and attach to these little by 4x4s. They're so cute, and you can just sit them like on your desk, just anywhere. So I've got Artist Luck Brilliant Magenta, Grumbacher Process Yellow, and Liquitex Basic Cadmium Red Deep Hue. Those are kind of similar. Well. Maybe I'll switch it off with Artist Loft Metallic Purple. Okay. And I have a feeling I'll add some kind of white, but I don't know when or where. And these are little 1 ounce cups. And you can tell I did other pours on this that I have wiped off. Alright. You know, actually, maybe I will. Maybe I'll use the white as part of my lines. Just toss that on there. Get to it before it escapes the sides. The colors are pretty. Ooh, I like those colors. Let's torch it, and if all those white cells come up, then I will re-swirl it. Which, yes, I will be re-swirling it. I did not add more yellow to that last little bit, just a little bit of the metallic purple. And what did I say the other was? Brilliant Magenta. going to fill in the sides. Just by dabbing the paint that's around it. Now I'm just adding some shape to, some directions to the lines. And let's just give one last torch. And that one kind of made the magenta pop up a little bit. It's so cute. So this usually disconnects you, but we'll see. You're still there for now. You can see the little magenta cells getting bigger. So, super cute. Well, you're blurry. Thanks for watching, and I catch you all next time. Bye.